Today we talk about why money management is so crucial in day trading and how it can give more power to your winning trades and less power to your losing trades. Let's get into it. Traders, welcome back to day 55 on the Road to 20 PA video series. Today we went 1-1, one winner, one loser, and we netted about $100 worth of profit. Now, let's talk about why money management is so important in trading. Like I said, we won 1-1 today, and usually if you go 1-1 on the day with a 50% win percentage on your trades, you end up after commission and fees break even or even in the red. But today that doesn't happen to me. I end up in the green after being 50% win percentage. And why is that? Well, that's because of risk management and money management systems in your trading strategy. As you can see where this blue arrow is right here was our first losing trade of the day. We went short under this signal bar at the EMA. It was second entry short and it ended up being a loser, and I did take a loss right there. But this signal bar was only 0.75 points big. So what does that mean for us? Well, in our trading strategy, we put our stop loss one tick above the signal bar, which is how much money you're willing to wager if the trade goes against you. So since the bar is so small, I put my stop loss one tick above this bar. It's only 1 point worth of risk, which for one contract is about $50, which is not a lot of money to wager in the markets. And our reward, which is our take profit, is 2 points. So you have 1 point worth of risk to win 2 points worth of profits. So that's a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is a great ratio for longevity and for consistently making money in the markets. Ideally, you either want a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio or higher. And since the signal bar was so small on our loser, this trade over here, which we scout for 2 points, ended up netting us a green day. So that's why risk management is so important in the markets. Let's get into the live trades and you guys can see how the money management system played out in the live trades and how I was thinking and acting during today's market session. All right, guys, starting the video as I'm planning on taking my first trade of the day.
Order submitted.
All right, and we are filled. Let's see if we can get a quick scalp real quick. What you had here was first entry short, pullback, second entry short at the EMA. Downtrend needs new extreme, and the short and uptrend played out with a break and a new extreme. Shit, keep moving my trend line. Sorry, guys. Very, very small signal bar to take a risk on, so I wasn't too scared about it. See if we can get the scalp real quick. Very strong downtrend that formed out of nowhere. Well, not out of nowhere, but very, very strong downtrend that formed starting here. And we got minimum pullbacks, which means a lot of bearish momentum. The seller should want to get new extreme of this downtrend pretty quickly. This support level looks like it's coming back into play, though. See if it works. Again, very small risk. It is more aggressive because the signal bar is so tiny, but you're only risking a point, so about 50 bucks. And I'm okay losing 50 bucks over a losing trade. Well, 150 bucks, sorry.
Stop filled.
All right, and we got stopped out. Like I said, we only lost 150 bucks, and I'm willing to take that chance in this downtrend because the EMA did sort of look like it held. And this green bar is a great trap bar to trap people, but I think buyers came in at this support level again real quick. Not super mad at it. I'm gonna mark the trade. I'll start the video when we take our next trade. Alright guys, starting the video as I'm planning on taking my second trade of the day. What we have here is we're coming back into the trading range. We have a break of this short and uptrend, and we have first entry long, pullback, second entry long, expecting the uptrend to get a new extreme. So let's see, it's a pretty decent signal bar. Hopefully it doesn't go too high. 72. Wait, 72? 69? No, 71, sorry. This is perfect entry point right here. Good big signal bar off EMA. It's a good close. Let's see if we can get a trigger. Triggered. Let's see if we can get filled.
Order filled.
All right, and we are filled. Let's see if we can get a new extreme of this uptrend. Our take profit is perfectly at the new high, and we should get there off the second entry long, off the EMA, after the overshoot, causing stronger momentum into this direction. See how the trade works out.
Order filled.
Alright guys, and we are filled, so we're going to move our stop loss to break even. As you can see, when we entered that trade, it did start going a little bit sideways, and that's when I did realize that we had a spike in channel pattern on the chart, something like this, and we were buying right into the resistance. Now this trend isn't really a trend, it's more of a trading range because it's so sideways, so I'm not sure how valid it is, but as you can see, our trade still did work out because price action rules still play out on the short term, even in larger trends. And for all of you guys that are sweating that trade, if you're in on that trade, because it is a very nice textbook high probability setup, if you are in on that trade and you decide to get out early because it starts chopping around, you get nervous and whatnot, you can't do that because price action rules play out over time. Sometimes they take longer than other times, and you just have to sit through it. You got to trust your setup. You have to trust that your analysis of the market was correct at the time, and just ride it out. If you take the loss, you take the loss. It's part of trading. It doesn't matter. You can see if I would have got out of that trade at any other point, I would have cut myself short of potential profits, but I didn't do that. I stayed true. It did start getting a little scary when I saw this resistance forming, but this uptrend still needs new high. Second entry long off the EMA. You can't not take that. Let's see if we can get a good runner in the meantime. Gotta get stickety though.
Order filled.
Alright guys, and our runner was just stopped out. A couple points to gain. I think we took about 1.75 points, which is not terrible on a runner. Trend line didn't really hold too well. Measured move was met. We've been trading down all day, so I didn't expect to get too good of a runner here. We'll see if EMA holds, but we could reverse back to the downside here just because we had a break of this shortened uptrend and a new extreme. I just drew this bigger uptrend just for a trend line to look for when managing the runner, but I didn't actually think it was a valid trend. But yeah, pretty decent trade, and I'll start the video when we take our next trade of the day. And those were our 2 live trades for the day. I hope you guys had a great time watching this video today. The market's been super choppy and consolidating lately. Let's even take a look at the daily chart over the past couple over the past week, really, we've just been going back and forth, bunch of dojis at the top of this uptrend, not a whole lot of movement. So what you guys need to be careful of in a market like this is you can't be taking too many trades. You can't be forcing too many trades because you're going to get trapped. The market is going to reverse on you, and you need to be careful where you're really selecting those trades because we're not getting too much movement. So there's not a whole lot of opportunity that's presenting itself in the market. For example, last week, I think I only took about 4 trades on the whole week, 2 days of which I didn't even take a single trade. I just watched it the whole time. And I watched a couple of my buddies and other traders on YouTube who were taking some trades and they weren't going in their favor. And I think they still ended up green on the week, but it was just extra stress they added to their trading day. And you just really want to be patient through all this riffraff that's going on recently. We will break out eventually, and we just have to wait patiently, sit on our hands, and wait for the movement to come to us. And with that said, if you guys are still watching up until this point, that means you probably like the video. So please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Helps me out a whole bunch, and we are on the road to 100 subs. We are so close. I think we're at 81 when I'm recording this. So 19 more subs, and we're at 100 subs, and I'll be so happy. With that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video today. As always, I love making them for you, and I wish you guys the best of luck in this trading week. With that said, peace out.